When it comes to enhancing your health and nutrition through juicing, this kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer machines offer a top-notch solution. This slow masticating juicer is designed to deliver high juice yield and superior nutrient retention, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about their juicing regimen. With its 3.26-inch wide feed chute, BPA-free construction, and user-friendly features, this juicer promises convenience, efficiency, and quality. In this detailed review, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and performance of the kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer, demonstrating why it's a must-have appliance for your kitchen. The kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer boasts a sleek and modern design, available in a stylish black finish that complements any kitchen decor. Its robust build quality ensures durability, with all components made from high-quality BPA-free materials. This juicer is designed to prioritize your health and safety, offering peace of mind with every use. The large 83mm feed chute is a standout feature, allowing you to juice whole fruits and chunky vegetables without the need for extensive chopping. Additionally, the 32mm feed chute is perfect for longer vegetables, providing versatile juicing options and reducing prep time significantly. One of the primary advantages of the kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer is its wide chute design. The 83mm feed chute can accommodate whole apples, oranges, and other large fruits, while the 32mm chute is ideal for carrots, celery, and other long vegetables. This dual chute system not only saves time, but also enhances the overall juicing experience by allowing you to experiment with different ingredient combinations effortlessly. The convenience of not having to pre-cut your produce makes this juicer an excellent choice for busy individuals who still want to enjoy fresh, homemade juice. Safety and health are paramount when it comes to juicing, and the kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer delivers on both fronts. Constructed with real BPA-free materials, this juicer ensures that your juice is free from harmful chemicals. The easy clean design is another significant advantage. The reverse function helps prevent clogging, making the juicing process smoother and more efficient. All parts are easily detachable and dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. The juicer also comes with a detailed installation tutorial, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Operating the kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer is straightforward, thanks to its ergonomically designed switch button located on the side. The juicer features a double safety system, ensuring that it will only work when all parts are correctly installed. This safety feature is crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring a worry-free juicing experience. The juicer also includes a beep sound confirmation that all parts are properly in place before it starts working, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience. One of the standout features of this juicer is its anti-drip design. The juicer keeps the filtered juice in an airtight space until all ingredients are fully juiced, preventing spills and drips that can make a mess in your kitchen. This feature not only keeps your workspace clean, but also minimizes juice oxidation. The advanced masticating technology used in this juicer ensures gentle extraction of juice from fruits and vegetables, preserving essential nutrients and yielding high-quality juice with maximum flavor. The slow juicing process results in minimal heat buildup, further preserving the nutritional integrity of the juice. Equipped with a powerful motor, the kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer effortlessly handles even the toughest produce. Its low-speed extrusion juicing principle ensures that every last drop of juice is extracted from your ingredients, resulting in a higher juice yield. Whether you're making refreshing fruit juice, nutrient-dense vegetable blends, or experimenting with different combinations, this juicer delivers exceptional results every time. The high juice yield and efficiency make it a cost-effective choice for those who juice regularly. Users of the kitchen-in-the-box cold-pressed juicer consistently praise its performance and ease of use. The wide chute design and powerful motor make juicing quick and efficient, while the BPA-free construction and easy clean design add to its appeal. The anti-drip and minimal oxidation features ensure that the juice is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. The safety features, including the double safety system and beep confirmation, provide peace of mind during operation. Juicing is an excellent way to boost your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The Kitchen in the Box cold pressed juicer makes it easier than ever to enjoy these health benefits. By minimizing heat and oxidation, this juicer ensures that your juice retains its nutritional value for longer. Regular consumption of freshly made juice can improve your immune system, enhance digestion, and contribute to overall well being. With this juicer, you can conveniently incorporate a wide variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet, supporting your health goals. Conclusion: the Kitchen in the Box cold pressed juicer machines is a versatile, efficient, and user friendly appliance that delivers exceptional performance and convenience. Its wide chute design, powerful motor, and slow masticating technology make it a standout choice for anyone looking to invest in a high quality juicer. Whether you are new to juicing or an experienced enthusiast, this juicer will meet and exceed your expectations. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.